Y'all know we love a good competition, and so does our staff. So what a better way to get into the spirit than with a holiday bake-off.
So our three staffers, Sydney, Dana, and Carly, have prepared their baked goods for us. And, lucky for us, superstar chef Lidia Bastianich is here to declare the winner. Hi, Lidia.
Hi, everybody.
Are you a tough judge? How are you?
You know,
You're
if it's
honest.
good, it's good. And if it's the best, it's the best.
Okay.
That's all.
That's all.
What makes a treat stand out? Like, what makes something better than the rest?
I think presentation first.
Oh.
Flavor second.
Oh.
I like also texture, if it's crunchy, if it's not.
Oh.
I like a little bit of kind of dissonance. You know, is it salty, sweet? What is it? All those kind of experiences.
Wow. Let me just say this.
The bar is high.
You sound like you have some expertise in this, but can we introduce you first to Sydney?
All right.
This is our superstar associate producer, Sydney. Sydney has created...
Okay. I created a chocolate chip pumpkin bread.
Chocolate chip pumpkin
Cream
bread.
cheese frosting.
Uh-huh. I love
We
cream
have
cheese.
And I made it beautiful,
fork,
just like
break
you.
it.
It is.
Do you want her to eat it with her hands, or should we get a fork?
I was told we could rip it.
Okay, rip it.
Yeah.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us about what you think of how the presentation.
But you guys are going to go into it too.
Sure.
no?
Try it too.
Where does this recipe come from, Sid?
It comes from the brain.
So what do you think of the presentation and of the, try the textures?
I like it.
Nice. A little acidity in there. Did you put lemon juice or something?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go with it. Go with it.
Yeah. I put
There
lemon
is a
juice.
little acidity. The presentation is nice. I mean, you know, maybe this looks a little bit too flighty.
It's whimsical.
Too
you wanna
flashy.
push it,
ma'am?
That looks, I think, nice, but I think it's great. It's beautiful.
All right.
Nice and moist.
Thank you.
Good for
It is
you.
moist.
Thank you.
I like the chocolate
Good for
chips
you.
in it. Way to
Thank
go.
you.
Good
Way
for
to go. Let's move down. Way to go. So Dana's
Here's
in the house.
Dana.
Hello.
What'd you
Hi,
make,
Dana.
Dana, go ahead.
So I made Christmas chocolate chip cookies.
This is a classic.
They have everything I think you're looking for. They're symmetrical, texture, sweet, salty. Enjoy.
All right.
Little red and green M&Ms, which
Yes,
I
for
love.
Christmas.
Okay.
I'm just eating it right off the top.
Okay. Tell us what you think. Texture, presentation.
Presentation is nice. It's beautiful. I'm a, you know, with all this color business, so, you know,
You don't love that?
I don't love that.
You don't love that? You know, I was
No, no.
told to make it Christmassy. So.
You did the perfect
She's just
thing.
saying that you die
I'm
inside.
telling outside, you know, don't.
Careful.
Good colors.
Okay.
But I like the texture. It's kind of between, you know, my kids used to love dough, cookie dough. And this is, I can sense that.
can tell?
Yeah,
Yeah, because it
absolutely.
still has a doughiness to it.
Right?
Love it.
Good
Good job.
Good job.
Finally, Miss Lidia, meet Carly.
Yes.
Carly has... Whoa.
I made a cranberry frangipane.
Carly, what is up with this?
I made a cranberry frangipane. I'm actually
Frangipane?
I don't even know what that is.
Basically an almond cream. Also, I recommend not eating the garnish that's on top of that slice because cranberries only taste good after they're cooked, because they get a little bit sour when they're raw.
So you want to try it, Lydia?
Yeah, we'll try it. I
Lydia,
love
how
frangipane.
beautiful
thank
does a
you.
frangipan look?
Yeah, okay.
I didn't know what a
Don't eat
frangipan
them.
was until right now.
Frangipane.
Frangipane.
You got it.
I've heard of a pani. Just kidding. Do you like it?
Very good. Oh, and you can taste the almond paste in there. It doesn't have to be very super cooked. Looks beautiful. But one thing with food, if you cannot eat it, then it shouldn't be there.
Yes.
You know?
Like, could you serve it around here, maybe? Put it around?
Exactly.
What you're doing
But
there.
it looks great. It's nice. It's not too sweet. You know, you have
like it.
some good,
Carly, I love it.
good
All right,
workers
so
here.
let's talk. We got to decide the winner. Come on. Over here. Huddle,
Okay.
huddle.
Huddle.
It's
Can they
really-
get our mics alive?
It's really up to Lydia.
But,
All right, Miss Lydia has the winner. And Lydia, who is the winner of
Who's
this?
the winner?
you know, it's been hard because they're all good. You guys did a great job, all of you, and you look beautiful. Good. All right, so good job. But I think, you know, presentation-wise, maybe flavor-wise, I think.
So much.
Come on in here, Gerard. It's the Christmas season. We got to give you a hug. This this is your winning prize. It is a cookbook signed by the queen herself.
Right.
Lydia.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah,
Dana,
you guys,
too.
everything was delicious. We could have voted for all of you.